we're going.
Okay, this is the Futronic FS80 fingerprint reader. It's a good reader, but when we go to their website we see some interesting claims. On their website they claim that this optical fingerprint scanner only captures the fingerprint of live fingers and rejects all other material that is put on it. Fake fingers made from silicone, etc. cannot be used to get access through the Futronic optical fingerprint scanner. So let's test that. So here's the image of the fingerprint, and you can see as I touch the fingerprint reader with my finger, I get a nice image. What I will do now is enable live finger detection, LFD. You can see in the magnified window I'm turning it on. And now down here we will see when I touch it properly it says OK. Now one interesting thing is when I touch this with if I only touch the glass part, it gives me a false reject. It says fake finger detected. In order to use the live finger detection, you have to touch this part very firmly. Only then will your fingerprint be accepted and you get an OK. Again, if I touch only the glass part, even my real finger is called a fake. Let's test it with some non-real fingers. First of all, every fingerprint reader you would expect could reject a photocopy of a fingerprint. I'm going to put this on the reader. In fact, I'm going to wet it with water to make good optical contact. And on this try, as we would expect, it detects it as a fake. That's good. Now let's try the silicone fingers. I put a smiley face on the fake finger so you know that this is not a real fingerprint that's getting accepted. And when I touch it, sure enough, it accepts that fingerprint as OK. I'll touch it again. And it gets an OK. Here's a second silicone fake finger. And again, I get an OK, and you see the smiley face. It is indeed the fake finger that's getting accepted, not my real finger. Let's go back one more time to the photocopy. This time, instead of dipping it in water, I'm going to dip it in some rubbing alcohol that I got from the pharmacy. And if I don't expose the paper on top of this part of the reader, look at that. Even a photocopy is accepted. And you can see the smiley face again.